IPv4, Internet Protocol version 4 or IPv4, is the first version of the Internet Protocol or IP. It is one of the core protocol of standards-based Internet working with hosts in the Internet and other packet switched network. IPv4 was the first version deployed for production on SATnet and on the ARPANET in January. It is still used to route most Internet traffic today, even with the ongoing deployment of Internet Protocol version 6 or IPv6, its successor. IPv4 uses a 32-bit address space which provides unique address, but large blocks are reserved from special networking purpose. History. Internet Protocol version 4 is described in IATF publication RFIC, replacing an earlier definition on January. The U.S. Department of Defense decided on the Internet Protocol Suite or TCP or IP as the standard for all military computer networking. Purpose. The Internet Protocol is the protocol that defines and enables Internet working at the Internet layer of the Internet Protocol Suite. In essence, it forms the Internet, it uses a logical addressing system and performs routing, which is the forwarding of packet from a source host to the next router that is one hop closer to the intended destination host on another network. IPv4 is a connectionless protocol and operates on a best effort delivery model, in that it does not guarantee delivery, nor does it assure proper sequencing or avoidance of duplicate delivery. These aspects, including data integrity, are addressed by a new per-layer transport protocol, such as the Transmission Control Protocol or TCP. Addressing. IPv4 use 32-bit address which limit the address space. IPv4 reserves special address block for private network or 18 million address and multicast address. Address representation. IPv4 address may be represented in any notation expressing a 32-bit integer value. They are most often written in decimal notation, which consists of 4 octaves of the address expressed individually in decimal number and separated by periods. For example, the hot IP address represents the 32-bit decimal number which in hexadecimal CIDR notation combines the address with its routing prefix in a compact format, in which the address is followed by a slash character and a count of leading consecutive 1-bit indent routing prefix or subnet mask. Other address representation were in common use when classful networking was practiced. For example, the LOPEX address, given that it belongs to a class A network with bits for the network mask and 24 bits for the host number. When fewer than 4 numbers are specified in the address in dotted notation, the last value is treated as an integer of as many bytes as are required to fill out the address to for or text. Allocation. In the original design of IPv4, an IP address was divided into 2 parts. The network identifier was the most significant octet of the address, and the host identifier was the rest of the address. The latter was also called the rest file. This structure permitted a maximum, which was quickly found to be inadequate. To overcome this limit, the most significant address octet was defined to create network classes.